So, you are playing Magic the Gathering Arena and you would like to buy full decks. Now, usually to buy a deck, to make a deck, you have to buy single cards with the wild cards and make your own deck. You maybe can look up a list of cards online and buy the single cards and make yourself a deck. But in the store, if you go, there is the opportunity to buy full decks, but usually it's going to be empty. That side of the store is going to be empty. Usually that is the case, so you cannot buy decks, but occasionally there are some deals or opportunities or new updates where you actually can buy some full decks, and I'm going to show you. For example, right now these are decks that you can buy. While I'm making this video, this is the store. So how to buy decks is be lucky and have the opportunity to buy decks when they are available. This being said, I'm not 100% sure, looking at the list of the cards that are in, if it's actually worth it to buy, because it's actually pretty expensive and you can probably get just as many cards, or at least important cards, using buying packs and using wild cards. But yeah, if you want to buy full decks, just be lucky that the opportunity is there, and go here on the tab, store, decks, and buy them. But yeah, they are not always available for purchase. So this is everything for this video. I hope you liked it. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.